Hello everyone, welcome to another video of 1-2-Step YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to log in into your Twitch account. First of all, open any browser that you desire and go to the search bar and search for www.twitch.tv. Once you search for Twitch, this window should pop up. Once you are on the website, on the top right of your screen, you should see a login button. Once you click on the login, you will see a login to Twitch window pop up. Then go to the username tab and write the username that you already have. Once you put in your username, put the password in for the username. Once you're done putting in the password, click on the login button below the password tab. And congratulations, you are now logged in into Twitch.